Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch. Monday, May 26, 2025. I'm going to try and do 2 of these reports a day. In the morning when I wake up, after I do all my checks, I'll let you know what's happening on our planet. Then one final one at the end of the day. Start off with our sun. This section of the coronal hole opening was facing us 2 days ago, so we should be receiving the accelerated solar winds shortly. Should. Now we have this rip, this tear, this coronal hole opening from the northern hemisphere, crossing the equatorial region, coming down into the southern hemisphere. I don't know if that's ever happened before. They have assigned a number to this region here coming in, 4100, 4100. Fairly large compared to the others. So as it draws away from the interaction of cell, maybe she'll calm down. Maybe. We're going to check a couple of areas of heat indications, starting off with Greenland. This is a common location for heat detections, right here, hence all the ice melt. Now, another one of concern. Indian Ocean Ridge. Where were you? Up of Somalia. One moment. It's past UTC time, that's why. This is a reoccurring location. Picked up by infrared. And this one is on the Indian Ocean Ridge. Which is it's right here. So we have heat, magma, starting to come up. This is, whatever you call it, Diego Garcia or Garcia Diego, right here. So our reoccurring heat is coming up through this ridge in the Indian Ocean. Let's continue. Yes, I know about Western Canada. I'll have to do a report on that tomorrow. Wildfires are getting out of hand. Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta. At the fracking sites. I'll do a more thorough report tomorrow. This is going to be a repeat situation as 2023. Increase in global earthquakes, increase in global fires. Again, starting tomorrow morning, I'll spend some time down here. Fort McMurray. And as you can see, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, let's take a look at what's happening offshore. California, on up to Oregon. So folks, they are spraying over the Cascadia subduction zone, over the axial seamount as well. Chemtrails is not just for nefarious reasons. They also do so to provide a protective cover over volcanic regions just before incoming solar storms. What did I point out in that coronal hole opening? Starting very soon, the solar wind stream should be picking up. I'm tripping over my tongue. I did not have my afternoon nap. So the axial seamount is right here. Our buoys are going off here. Let's head on. Oh, okay, our tremors. So our tremors are back for today. Yesterday there was no tremors because that energy was released by a series of earthquakes up to 4.4 on the Mendocino Ridge. So we had a series of earthquakes here. Our tremors are ongoing here. .4. Now, it's not unusual to have, say, 2 or 3 earthquakes in this area to relieve the stress. I've already showed you on a separate post on Facebook the increase in seismic activity, including the Arctic Ocean up to a 5.1, now 5.3. 5.3. Let's check our jet streams. The bands are much wider. They are combining in the southern hemisphere. The subtropical is combining with the polar region streams. North America. And we have no activated buoys at this time. It's going to be it for now, folks. See you in the morning.